got it, got it, got it. SBF, got it, got it, got it. If you claim you want me, really wanna give you, it ain't no lie. Really wanna give you, really wanna give you.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you read the title, you know why I'm excited, because it's moving day. Yes, y'all, your girl is moving up. She got her own crib. So yeah, so basically right now, y'all, it's not even 12 o'clock yet, and I am tired. When I tell you I've been moving stuff all day. Well, we haven't moved into the place yet, but I'm gonna just show y'all a run around of what this room looks like. This is my old room that I'm currently moving out of. We got all my bags, everything packed. This gotta go, this gotta go. I'm leaving my bed here because I'm getting a new bed. All this stuff gotta go, this gotta go, and it's a lot more downstairs to do. So, and that gotta go. I already cleaned out my closet, and yeah, we just got a lot of shit to move, and I'm supposed to be moving in at 12. It is currently 11:30 right now, so I really need to start heading out and going or whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna get y'all when we at the new place, and yeah, I'm gonna give y'all a little empty apartment tour or whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna see y'all later. Peace. Hey y'all, so welcome back to my channel. Your girl just came from the leasing office and got her keys, so it's lit. Y'all, I love this place so much already. I'm gonna give y'all a little tour of my apartment. So this is the door when you first walk in. To the left, it's like a big spacious coat closet right here. Really spacious. Like, look at that. Real spacious, real spacious. And then to the right here, we have the kitchen. Y'all see this backsplash though? Like, this is real nice, real nice. We got the sink, stainless steel appliances. Stop playing. And then this is the dining room area, my jigger. And then look at this big, spacious living room. This is huge. Look at it. Oh my gosh. And then we're gonna come over here. This is the living room. Walking from the living room over here back to the door. That's the door over there we just came from. There is another closet, like heavy on the closet space. Okay, you hear me? And then over here we have the bathroom. I like it because it's like separated. So this, like, you know, the little brush your teeth, wash your face. And then this is the bathroom. We gotta turn off the lights because your girl is paying bills. Better turn off these lights, girl. If you're not in it, turn off the lights because your girl got bills to pay. Come on. Okay, next is my bedroom. Y'all, look at this window. It's so huge. Like, I love it so much. I love it, I love it, I love it. And then we got another closet up here, of course. It's my big spacious walk-in closet. Your girl finally got a walk-in closet. Walk in and walk out, walk in, walk out. Do a little dance in here. You see? And so that pretty much wraps up this apartment vlog. That's my little sister helping me with the move. Y'all, look at this. Like, this all me. You can do a cartwheel in this job. Like, stop playing. So y'all, I'm so excited, y'all. We have a lot to do today. Moving in today. We got a lot of stuff to move up. So yeah, so we're just gonna go ahead and clean the apartment and just get my stuff moved up here. Alright, see you guys later. Bye. Running around crazy all day, and this is what we got done so far. We just been unpacking. That's my stuff from my haul that I'm about to make for y'all. The couch came in. It is so pretty, y'all. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. And then this is my room. We just got just different. We're actually about to go get my couch. I mean, go get my bed, my mattress. My actual bed frame hasn't came yet. So still waiting on that. They said because of COVID and everything, I have to wait damn near like 3 weeks. It should be here like around September 20 something. So this is my bathroom. It's real cute. You got the vibes, the blue vibes in here. You know, just like little blue vibes. Oh yeah, I also need a shower curtain too. So we're just gonna make a little store run real quick. Just get everything some food because you don't got no food. Like, I don't have nothing. So basically, this is a stock up run. So yeah, I'm gonna hit y'all when we get to the store. Bye. 3 parts deep, y'all. 3 cards deep. This is no joke. I wonder how much all this gonna be. How much y'all think it's gonna be? Comment how much y'all think it's gonna be. Cause this looking real expensive. We got appliances. You trying to get me to get vegetables? No, I don't like that stuff. I like the shredded. I like the shredded lettuce. But yeah.
Are you talking about these Walmart?
Girl, these the only ones. They didn't have no glass ones.
How much are they?
They're like 50 cents. These are the only ones I could get. Okay, let's go. But yeah, this is it for today. We can always come back, but I am tired. My back is hurting. Like, it's weird. But my sister here, this is so last minute, y'all. Let me show them you. Yeah, this girl shaved off her head. Let me show them your head. We just shaved off her head, y'all, because her hair was not growing, you know. It's a lot going on, but trust the process, y'all. Trust the process. But yeah, she's helping me. My couch had came today, and we are setting up IKEA furniture. Y'all, IKEA, I don't know what's the big hassle about IKEA furniture that everybody talking about. Like, it's not hard at all. Like, I just set this little ooh, I hope that'll focus. Yeah, I just set that up. Don't mind all that stuff. That's for my haul, but okay. But yeah, I just set up this little Alex desk. Y'all don't know the trouble I've had to go through to get that damn drawer. So I will never take that desk for granted again, because y'all, it was out of stock. Like, let me tell y'all something. Now is the worst time to move into a new place. When I tell you, there is nothing in stores. Like, literally there is nothing, and if there is something, it's barely anything. Like, literally it'd be like one, like that TV, we just got that today. That was like the last TV they had, the last 65-inch they had. Like, literally we is scraping shit together at this point. But you know, we still making the shit look good. We making it look good, because y'all see what we got going on. Got a desk, a couch. I got that from a local furniture store, and we got this little table thing that we're setting up. I got my rug and this table that we had set up already earlier. This is from Amazon. This table is really cute. I love it. It's low-key crooked, but we not gonna get into that. So yeah, but right now we're just gonna set up my little living room, waiting for my sister to come back, because I think we low-key left the ring light in the hallway when we were moving it up. But yeah, I don't know why she's leaving these lights on. Like, your girl pay bills now. So yeah, we're just finna set this up, and I'm gonna get back to y'all when we working. Look at what we got done so far. Oh yeah, we should. Look at this cute ass toolkit that I got from Amazon. It is super bomb, and it's pink, period. And this was real cheap. Like, literally comes with everything you need. Like, you know, just a little handyman, because, you know, ain't no man around the house. It's just me. So your girl, you know, gotta make it happen. Gotta do what you gotta do. You know, it comes with literally everything, y'all. I highly recommend that everybody gets this, because this is clutch. after 70 hours of building this damn TV, this is what we came up with. It was, why did it look crooked?
Because you put it on crooked.
Okay, girl. Okay, Bobby Builder. She swears she knows everything. Okay, go ahead. It's the top. Okay, so yeah, now we're just gonna put this TV onto the stand and put the LED lights and just fix up my living room. Finally done with my living room for the most part. Like, it's still some things missing, but like, this is the general overview of my living room, what it's gonna look like. Y'all, these posters are so bomb. I do have a video up on how I made these posters, so make sure you go and check that out. Like, these, it's like the favorite part of my whole living room. But yeah, let me show y'all what it's looking like. I got my TV hung up yesterday as well. Don't mind that. Y'all, that ring light been through some shit for real. Like, I had that ring light for so long. But yeah, this is a little overview of my living room. My fur rug. Super, super bomb.